This super cute Christmas tree is so easy to do, guys. Using some cat eye and a little bit of chrome, I'll show you how to do it in this video.
Starting off with applying my base color, a chocolate brown called Dark Empress, and I'm curing each coat for 30 seconds, and then I'm getting my cat eye color. I'm using a detail brush. I'm gonna just start at the top of this Christmas tree and then magnetize it. The magnet I'm using is a little round magnet that you can find in the Gelish cream gel kit, and this brush is included in those kits, and I use it because it's got the round end. Makes it a little easier to control each of these rows on that Christmas tree. Now, once I'm done with the cat eye, I know I want to do a chrome gold star on top of the Christmas tree. However, I want to isolate the chrome, so I'm going to apply matte top coat. I'm going to cure the matte top coat for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to cleanse that matte top coat really well, so that way the chrome will only stick to where I apply the Gelish art form. Creating the star is probably the hardest part. To make it easy, just start off with applying a dot. Then take the tip of your brush, pushing that dot up, and then dragging the two sides down, easing up on the pressure as you get towards the tip. Then from the center out, drag out the two sides. Here's a little illustration I made to make things easier, which you can take a screenshot. After curing for 30 seconds, apply your chrome, and here I'm using a gold holographic chrome. After applying your chrome, you can apply whatever type of top coat you want. Here I'm using a cleanse top coat, mainly because I don't have to wipe an inhibition layer after curing. And so here's my final look. If you take a closer look at the star, the points are nice and sharp, and that's really due to releasing pressure as I get closer and closer to the edge. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and happy holidays.